Good evening, friends. This is Bhavin Toprani, your travel planner from Top Communications India Travelite.com. And today I am welcoming on Travel Talk 5 with our guest Krishna Nair. It's called MC Krishna. Welcome, Krishna, to the show.
Hello, Bhavin bhai. It's a pleasure to be here. How are you doing?
Yes, everywhere, very well. How is the things going with you? Can you just to our viewers? Can you just say about something about yourself?
All right. So, hello everybody. I'm MC Krishna. I'm an anchor. I professionally host all kinds of events, and it's a pleasure being here. And today we're going to be talking about some of my travel experiences, backpacking all over this wonderful country we call India.
So, as we represent Incredible India and you are traveling across India, so just let's start with we would like to today's show, we want to dedicate to solo traveler. So, how as a solo you have traveled your journey and how you can inspire others to travel. We would like to know that.
Sure. So I work as an anchor, and primarily the reason why I chose this profession is because I realized that one of the biggest pleasures in life is to travel. The best life lessons I've learned is while I've been away on the road, and this profession allows me to be on the move always. So it's a win-win situation. So that's how I land up being a backpacker.
Yeah. Fine. That's good. And now you are being a traveler, but you are as an anchor. So we would like to see what you are doing as an anchor. So let's see a small video introducing yourself and your profession and how this profession can turn you to an avid traveler. So let's see that and see how it's going. Yeah, sure.
DJ, play the music.
Yes. Thank you so much.
That's me in a nutshell.
Yes, lovely. So now let's start the hottest. What are the destinations which you have covered during this journey of anchoring and the events which you are expert in that? Please tell me something about it.
So primarily I started anchoring professionally for the last 7-8 years, but I've been backpacking since I was 17. So initially when I was 17, कॉलेज के बच्चे थे और ज्यादा पैसे थे ही नहीं तभी बजट ट्रैवलिंग होता है when you're younger and you're able to adjust and just pay whatever price to be out there, right? So I have traveled the entire western part of India. मतलब आप कह सकते हैं right from जम्मू एंड कश्मीर स्टेट से आप मतलब एक एक करके अगर नीचे आए आप वेस्टर्न कोस्ट पर हिमाचल, Punjab, Rajasthan, and so on and so forth, all the way down till Kerala. I have backpacked over there. So yeah, the entire western side of India, and I've stayed there. Like SNEK, I've been there for 1 day or 2 days. I've stayed there for prolonged periods of time. So yeah, I've
Okay.
traveled the
Uh-huh.
entirety of Western India, and I still have to explore the eastern part now.
Okay. So eastern part is the part of Himalaya which you would like to explore it. That is what I say.
Sure,
And also
sure,
now,
sure.
and today's topic is the hidden gems of India. So can you tell something, 4 or 5 hidden gems of India which you feel is
Sure.
a traveler should travel?
So I think everyone has a different taste with traveling, right? I mean, जिस तरीके से मैं travel करता हूँ, it's not necessarily you'll also like to travel like that. So I like to go to the not so mainstream places, and
Okay.
that's what I call the hidden gem. For me, the best places are those जहां पर लोग नहीं है, इंटरनेट नहीं है, वैसे तरीके की जगह, और कुछ जगह होती है जो थोड़ी लो की होती है. जैसे आई थिंक एवरीवन नोस अबाउट केरला, but not a lot of,
Okay.
when you think of Kerala, everyone thinks of Kumarakom or say Alapi, but I feel like Varkala is one of the more underrated places in Kerala. It's like this beach
Okay.
where you have like this plateau, and we've got all this entire hippie vibe. So it's basically Goa ka vibe with Kerala ka vibe, and like it's amazing the way it's a very unique blend, and I really enjoyed my time there. So I think Varkala would be one place. Another place that I'd say that everyone should definitely go, although it's not very low key, everyone knows about the place. But Pushkar, Pushkar is a place I recommend everyone to go. It's got all kinds of topography वहाँ पर. मतलब वहाँ पर desert भी है, greenery है, mountains है, and it's one of the most religious places in India. So when all this meets together, it is wonderful melting pot of culture and all kinds of different flavors, and you meet people from all over the world. But एक suggestion है, do not go there during the camel fair, because वो इतना भर जाता है और इतना गंदा हो जाता है. You can always check out camels. Of course, if you're a photographer, camel के फोटो वगैरह खींचने बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But go there after that is over, because that will be a little off season also. You'll actually enjoy the place. So yeah, those are two suggestions. There are a lot of such places actually. I can go on and on.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And Pushkar is one of the favorite place for our inbound travel, what we do. And a lot of people would like to stay there. There are some tents are available. There are some orchard
Right,
farms are available where people stay there. And they go to visit the Brahma temple, which is very popular
right.
in
It is considered to be the only Brahma temple over there in the world
right.
actually. Although later on I came to know that South में भी एक दो जगह है, but this is the most famous Brahma temple. Also, the tent experience जो आप बोल रहे हैं, it is very unique. I've stayed in one of the tents over there.
Okay.
And literally, like, you have tents of all kinds, right from the bare minimum cheap wala where basic necessities wala tent hai, and then you have
Okay.
luxury tents. The luxury tents
Uh-huh.
are full of, like, it's in the desert, usme AC वगैरह लगा हुआ है, but I suggest going in the medium one, because a tent should feel like a tent. It should be basic. That's what I feel personally.
Yeah. So, what do you suggest to a solo traveler? How they should travel? If somebody, a lady, is traveling as a solo traveler across India, whether she travel?
Well, this is something that people often ask me actually, and what I say is that where there is a will, there is definitely a way.
Correct.
I feel, um, yes, we always know that there are instances of things going wrong, but I feel if you do your basics right, travel during the day, and you try to just be aware of your surroundings, everyone can travel without a problem. See, I feel generally problem to ladko ko bhi hoti hai. I mean, there have been times where I've been surrounded by people, I've been tried to mug, I've been tried to be, someone has tried to steal something. I'm sure the thing
Okay.
for women is double, but
Your sound is an issue.
I
Bandwidth
feel if you
issue.
take care of basic things, आप हिमालय जाओ, कोई भी फीमेल ट्रैवलर को कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं पड़ेगी. इवन कश्मीर फॉर दैट मैटर, आई फेल्ट कश्मीर इज
Uh-huh.
वेरी वेलकमिंग. केरला में इट्स अ वेरी टूरिस्ट फ्रेंडली प्लेस. गोवा तो सब जानते ही हैं वहां पर. बट मोर देन एनीथिंग आई डेफिनेटली फील दैट अ पर्सन हैज टू बी अवेयर. You should not ever be intoxicated, and you should always trust your instinct. Like, I feel all the females women have instinct. उनका एक creep vibe जो indicator होता है वो अगर बच जाता है तो you should just be, in a defensive position. But I definitely
Also,
feel people can definitely travel, especially women. They should.
yes, yes, and also I have seen that many of the places that what you have traveled, you have mixed with locals. I've seen your many photographs with locals, and some of the photographs I have seen, which I am going to show, maybe surprise to you. So that one or two photographs.
Oh,
So
nice.
don't. That, and I've seen the people like in Kashmir you had gone or many places you are spending time with locals playing cricket and enjoying the local moments, having a local food. So this is what I like most about traveling.
Right. So that is something. Yes, yes.
Correct. So that's what is there.
So,
your sound is an
you
issue.
know, जहाँ पे भी जाता हूँ, I always find a bond with them. All right, just 1 minute. I'll just sort it out. Just 1 minute. Is it better now?
Yeah, no problem. Yes, little better. Yes,
okay.
Now better.
Yes. So मैं बोल रहा था इंडिया में कहाँ पे भी जाता हूँ I try to find some people playing cricket. वो बॉन्ड ही अलग है बॉस. आपको भाषा नहीं आए, कुछ नहीं आए, बट सामने वाले को आप बम्बई से आए, आपका मिडिल स्टंप निकालना है क्योंकि फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ दे कैन से बम्बई से बंदा आया था, उसका मिडिल स्टंप मैंने उखाड़ा था. So that it's a good experience. I have played in Kashmir, in the valley of Kashmir. बनारस के घाट पे क्रिकेट खेला है, केरला के पहाड़ पे खेला है. So that is something I always do.
Correct. And the cricket bats are famous, manufactured in Kashmir. There are between Pahalgam and Srinagar. There's a lot of factories and the places are there where you can find that. And I share my experience that my clients came from New Zealand 2 years before, and their kids wanted to see Dharavi because that's what they wanted to take. So I took them to Dharavi, and they played cricket with locals there in the school ground.
Right.
So
also, Bhavin bhai, you mentioned that I always meet with locals. I feel until unless you don't mingle with the locals, तो आपने वो जगह बराबर से देखी नहीं. जब तक आप लोकल लोग के साथ घुलो मिलो नहीं, I don't think आपको अधिकार है बोलने के लिए कि मैं वहां जाकर आया. Because you don't know what they have to offer. You don't know how they think, what they eat, what they like to see. And I mean that's the curious person in me. And one of my biggest achievements in life is today some of my closest friends I have met on the road.
Wow.
तो मतलब that is my biggest achievement because मैं आज जहां पे भी जाना चाहूँ इंडिया में जहां पर ट्रैवल किया है मैं हक से कह सकता हूँ मेरा वहां पर एक घर है.
Correct. Absolutely. So we have joined now. Satya Nair has joined. Anusha Suvarna has joined, and Vandana Thodia has joined. These are the viewers who have joined with us, and let's see what they say, and we see how we can see further. So now let's see some of your videos first, because you have exotic albums of photos. So let's first see the videos and make some story out of that. These videos are raw videos, and purposely I have not finished that to a specific purpose. So I would like to show to my clients the way how India looks as a traveler, because I don't want to show him a video of an incredible India. I just want to show him the ground reality and what an India looks from a traveler's bird view, from Krishna Nair's view. So this is what it's about. So let's go and see this video. And that's what I can see, and we can just I'll just show you that. So while I'm going on sharing the video, so you can also tell the story behind that little way. There may be some because I've kept the voice on, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah.
Well, I suggest you to shut the volume of the video.
Yeah, that's okay. Let's see. Yeah.
Okay.
These are the hills of.
I think this is Bhandardara, if I'm not wrong.
Wow, that's a beautiful picnic place to be around and near to Mumbai. There's some trekking you are doing there.
That's right. So Bhandardara का मजा ये है, first and foremost, it's the highest peak in Maharashtra, Mount Kalsubai, and it's a very good picturesque view. This is Rajasthan, Jaipur में Jaigarh Fort है. So it's a beautiful experience. There are two forts, which are very close to each other, and you get a panoramic view from there.
Yeah,
So,
a lot
yeah,
of people go to Amer Fort. So I think you suggest them to go to Jaigarh Fort.
Definitely. देखो आपको वहां जाना तो दोनों जगह जाना है, and you have to leave early in the morning because वहां पर आप चलोगे, you rest over there. It's a little bit of a, if you're going with family, तो थोड़ा एक tedious walk है. And शाम को आमेर में I think a light show is very famous. तो लोग वो लाइट शो देखकर निकलते हैं. So you should leave like around morning and then spend the entire day over and then come back. That's what I'd suggest.
Fine. Definitely, and definitely, and then now we go to the next one. Wow, the camels are going in the local market.
Depends. If it's too expensive, then I don't.
This is in Pushkar or somewhere near Udaipur?
Okay, this is actually पुष्कर शहर में तब इलेक्शन चल रहे थे, तो इलेक्शन के टाइम था और मतलब ये जैसे खत्म हुआ तो कैमल्स में they had सजावट the entire camels with the local party's logo and everything. तो इसके नेक्स्ट वाले क्लिप में था, that is where I had taken it. It's in the main market. तो जैसे यहाँ पर आपको this is a local talent.
Okay.
Nagin.
Wow. This is a Nagin one or which one? Tune.
Yes.
क्या बात है.
This is a local market in Pushkar. Where it is? Somewhere.
This was, मैं बस जैसे ही मैंने आपको बताया कि locals जो होते हैं मैं उनसे मिलने की कोशिश करता हूँ. तो ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजा रहे हैं, let this clip get over, then I'll explain you.
Okay.
So these are the local tribal people राजस्थान के, और ये जो बजा रहे हैं इंस्ट्रूमेंट, you can pause the video till then. एक मिनट पॉज कर दीजिए. So ये भी पुष्कर का मंदिर है. सो या आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. वो रावण हत्ता कहते हैं, और जो लोकल ट्राइबल्स होते हैं वो लोग वो म्यूजिक बजाते हैं, एंड इतना अच्छा म्यूजिक है वो, एंड इट हैज बीन पास्ड ऑन फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन. इट्स द स्टोरी इज दैट ओरिजिनली रावण के ट्राइब के ये लोग थे जो ऑल ओवर इंडिया बसे हैं, एंड मेजोरिटी ऑफ देम स्टे इन राजस्थान. तो बहुत ही मीठा, एक इतनी मीठी धुन बजती है उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट से. इट्स एक्चुअली ब्यूटीफुल.
Lovely. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I think I missed what you just said.
No, this is a part of Rajasthan also. This is also, I think, Pushkar looks like.
Yes. So ये सारे पुष्कर के ही वीडियोस हैं. This is basically an ashram. ये आश्रम में मतलब आउटस्कर्ट्स पे, मतलब मेरे को लगा I wanted to experience the authentic पुष्कर. तो किसी एक साधु ने घाट पे मिला, बोला कि आपको असली पुष्कर देखना है तो शहर में नहीं है, शहर के बाहर है. तो हमको बाहर जाके एक पहाड़ चढ़ना पड़ा, और वहां पर ये आश्रम था. एंड द एंटायर स्टेयर्स एंड द ब्लू एंड व्हाइट थीम वाज देयर, एंड इट फेल्ट लाइक यू आर वॉकिंग इन हेवन. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल आश्रम, एक्सट्रीमली सेरीन, एंड आप वहां पर जाके फ्री में बैठ के मेडिटेट कर सकते हैं. मेरे ख्याल से अब वहां पर सोने की भी सुविधा है. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम ऑफ दैट आश्रम, बट कहते हैं वहां पर एक पहाड़ का टुकड़ा गिरा था जो लोग आज जिसकी पूजा करते हैं, और वो हनुमान जी के पूरे शेप में है. सो या दैट इज दैट अबाउट द आश्रम.
ग्रेट.
We are walking in the middle of nowhere, as you can see, and we are lost. We came on the bike into this sewer kind of thing, and it was all good and funny and awesome until the point where we found some desert sand, and now the bike won't go anywhere, and now we are stuck. We were heading towards a destination, but we got in the middle of nowhere. There are mountains behind me, no human beings in sight, but the adventure is amazing. It's out of the world. I'm happy that it's not night, because I'm sure there are lots of animals around me. The wind is good, the sun is fantastic. I'm looking for a place to escape. Meanwhile, my friend Piyush is trying to figure out on his bike, trying to ride through the sandstorm. But it's good. I'm having fun. Woohoo!
So lovely moment.
So-
Where you captured this?
So ये वैसा ही था. इसका एक बहुत ही अच्छी स्टोरी है. Before you play the next video, I'll tell you this.
Okay.
हम लोग when we came from that ashram, I met this actually German lady who saw that I'm going to all these unexplored places. Her name was Catherine, and she said, "You
Okay.
mind if I come along with you?" I said, "Yes, sure." And then we started
Okay.
walking in this sewer. ये एक ऐसे canal tanker जैसा दिख रहा है ना, तो इसमें हम
Correct.
चलने लगे और एक बंदा मिल गया, बोला आपको मैं कहीं छोड़ दूं. अब ऐसे
हाँ.
करते करते देखो सफर मिलते जाते, मतलब सफर में राही मिलते जाते हैं. और हम 3
अच्छा.
लोग थे जो एक एक्टिवा
अच्छा.
पे बैठे हुए थे. एंड
अरे बाप रे.
वी वेंट अहेड एंड आगे डेजर्ट जैसा शुरू हो गया. सैंड में अटक गई बाइक और
अच्छा अच्छा.
इर्द गिर्द
Okay.
एक भी प्राणी नहीं दिख रहा था, एक इंसान नहीं दिख रहा था. समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. वी हैड वॉक 3 किलोमीटर्स इनसाइड ऑलरेडी.
अच्छा.
So
Okay, okay.
after this we reached on the other side and we came to know हम लोग एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्रॉस कर चुके हैं. We landed up in
Okay.
another district. So it was a wonderful experience. One of the candid moments actually.
Great, great. Let's go to the next moment. Yeah. This is some temple there. Where it is?
Yes, yes.
Udaipur. Udaipur. It looked like somewhere.
I believe it is Udaipur. ये वो चूहों का टेम्पल है जो एक पहाड़ पे है. जो चूहे का
वो-
टेम्पल मेरे ख्याल से वेस्ट राजस्थान में भी है. ये उसी के
बीकानेर.
जैसा इसमें चूहे.
बीकानेर में.
जी जी. तो ये वही मंदिर है, मतलब वही माता का मंदिर है. और
Okay.
यहाँ पर वो चूहे रखे गए थे. पर यहाँ पर मैंने देखा कि उनकी तबीयत खराब हो गई थी. सफेद चूहे बहुत सारे थे बट व्यू बहुत ही बढ़िया था. सो इट वाज रियली नाइस. या
Yeah. These are the another hills.
ये तो गिरनार के पहाड़ है भाई.
क्या
जूनागढ़
बात
में
है. हाँ.
ये
अच्छा.
गिरनार के पहाड़ है.
गिरनार के कितने स्टेप चढ़े आपने ऊपर? I think there's so many steps there
So-
to go up.
Yes, 10,000 steps.
Uh-huh.
So it is an achievement. I think that is the maximum I have walked.
Okay.
Beautiful experience. हम लोग रात को चढ़ने लगे थे and
Okay.
it was really scary because रात को there were no people. दिन में it was too
ओहो.
dry. Desert storm जैसा
अच्छा.
हो गया था वहां पर.
हाँ.
And रात को we were told that there are going to be lots of people and एक
Okay.
आत्मा नहीं थी क्योंकि नवरात्रि के जस्ट बाद गए थे. और
अच्छा, अच्छा,
नवरात्रा के इधर ऊपर एक अम्बे माता का मंदिर है. तो जितने
हाँ.
लोग गांव वाले जाकर आते हैं नवरात्रा में जाते हैं. एंड देन इन द
Okay.
नाइट यू कुड हियर
हाँ.
roars in the distance. And
Uh-huh.
trust me, when you're alone in the open jungle in the mountains
Okay.
and you hear
हाँ.
roars, अच्छों की फट जाती है.
क्या
And I
बात
was not
है.
able.
आपको ट्रैवल के लिए, इंडिया में ट्रैवल करने के लिए बहुत फिटनेस चाहिए. This is only I can
Of
say.
course.
You need to be fit
Of course.
and to have so many of steps and
So, it's-
enjoy the
और एक
views.
चीज़
If
है-
you want to enjoy good views.
भाविन भाई, नॉर्मली क्या होता है, आप चढ़ते हो राइट,
हाँ.
और उसके बाद
हाँ.
उतरते हो. जैसे हम हर साल वैष्णो
हाँ.
देवी जाते
हाँ.
हैं. सो दैट इज
हाँ.
स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. यहाँ पर क्या
Correct.
है, देयर आर 5 पीक्स. तो आप चढ़ते
हाँ.
हो उतरते हो, चढ़ते हो उतरते
हाँ.
हो. सो
हाँ.
इट इज कंटिन्यूस. यू डोंट फील दैट हाँ अब सिर्फ यू हैव टू गेट डाउन. एंड
Correct,
आई थिंक इट्स अ माइंड गेम एज वेल. एक बार आप वो लय में
अच्छा,
घुस
अच्छा.
जाते हो. आधे लोग पहले दिमाग से हारते हैं, फिर फिजिकली हारते हैं.
Correct. Very good, very good.
Beautiful
हाँ.
experience.
हाँ. Great. Let's go to
Number
next
3.
one. Wow.
No, it's not dormitory.
You can pause the volume for this. I can speak.
Yeah,
So
I can try. Yeah.
yes,
Between Alipay and Kochi, there's some nice place or some nice place.
so
Sorry.
Um,
Sorry.
You should go to Fort Kochi.
Wow.
ये हम
This is your.
किसी के साथ बात कर रहे थे while watching this.
Sorry.
10 रुपए
Yeah,
की
yeah,
टिकट
yeah.
में ये माहौल मिला था मुझे actually. So like usually you get this view from the houseboats, but I was alone and I couldn't afford 10,000 rupees for a houseboat. So I
Okay.
researched a little bit and I came to know अगर आप Alleppey से कोट्टियम की 15 रुपए की गवर्नमेंट बोट की टिकट लेते हैं, you are going to be completely alone. तो आपको
अच्छा,
पूरी
अच्छा.
वो जो गवर्नमेंट बोट है आपके लिए मिल जाती है एंड यू गेट द एंटायर व्यू. 3 घंटे का मजा है. उससे ज्यादा तो मैं तो बोर हो जाऊं भाई, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी रेपिटेटिव एंड देयर इज नॉट मच टू डू. And it was amazing. Matlab, I met one German and one Spanish tourist. So we were just chilling, we were listening to our songs, and we completely zoomed out with this wonderful scenery, working like a beautiful karmic music video. So it was amazing.
And have you been to Kumarkom? That's a backwater place, and there is one favorite my hotel where I stayed there. Have you stayed in a hotel there?
Of course I have, of course. So, when I'm traveling with my family, they like luxury, and, we've had some family members who come from abroad, and I think Kumarakom mein Coconut Lagoon is one of the properties we stayed back long time ago. I believe it is an amazing hotel. It's expensive, but it is a luxury of different kind. Matlab, it is the Indian version of Venice. I think I can say that. Because it is through the canal, through the backwaters, and you're welcomed like a celebrity over there. वो music बजाते हैं और आपको माला पहनाते हैं, नारियल पानी पिलाते हैं, and inside the room सब कुछ खुला है. मतलब it's got that nature feel to it. It is brilliant. I mean, I think if you want to explore Kerala at its best, you have to go to Coconut Lagoon.
Correct. Coconut Lagoon is a destination, and I had been and stayed there for a night or two, and it's in my lifetime memory of staying there. Especially evening backwater cruises across Lake Vambadar is really amazing. That's what I can say.
It's phenomenal.
Yeah.
ये Munnar का है.
Tea gardens. You see lush of tea gardens here. This is that road which is Chinakal area, where you are going from Munnar to Tikri. This is the road that.
Right. That's right.
Correct.
और इसका मजा ये है कि वो चाय की स्मेल है. मैं बोलता हूँ वो दारू या और कोई ड्रग के नशे से भी ज्यादा उसका स्ट्रॉन्ग उसका फ्लेवर और टेस्ट आता है. मतलब यू कैन स्मेल इट इन द एयर. वो चाय का इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है, एंड you feel like you're in tea heaven. If you're a tea lover, you can just, if you're a tea lover, my bad, you feel that you're literally tea heaven. क्या मतलब वहाँ की हवा है, क्या beauty है. And there are tours over there as well if you choose to go for it. They explain you the entire process of how this tea is grown. And I believe, Bhavin bhai, there's some hotel now which has started this tea in a 5-star hotel, how the entire process is manufactured and packaged, right? What is the name of that hotel? Bhavin bhai?
That's in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka had been, is called Tea Factory. That's the hotel name is here called Tea Factory. Acha, I was interested to know that how you are traveling on this road. Just there is some stories there you told me some time back. Okay, I would like to know how you are traveling.
So as a solo traveler, ये जो रिमोट डेस्टिनेशंस होती है ना, बस होती है ना कुछ होता है, यू हैव टू यूज योर ओन स्किल्स. बड़ा जुगाड़ू होना पड़ता है. तो मतलब या तो वो पिक्चर में, अंग्रेजी पिक्चर में दिखाया जाता ना, ओ भाई साहब ले चलोगे, एंड देन you have to be like courteous. And so I got one guy was riding a bike. So मैं 100 rupees पर बेड पर नाइट के एक हॉस्टल में रुक रहा था, और वहां पर एक बंदा सिगरेट स्मोक कर रहा था. And we got speaking, and I said, मैं कल सोच रहा हूँ कूर्ग मेरे को मुनार जाना है. So how do I go there? He said मुनार जाना है. अच्छा, मैं भी सोच रहा था कल बाइक भाड़े पे ले लूं, एनफील्ड जैसा कुछ, और चलो चलते हैं. And just like that, I met one person for 10 minutes, and I explored the hills of Munnar. 4-hour bike ride on the Enfield, and I had my entire backpack. तो घाट पे जैसे मैं इधर जाता था, मेरा बैग उधर जाता था. When I got done with the trip, I had a major, spine problem, back problem, but it was worth it. It was definitely worth it. It was a beautiful experience.
But didn't you find any scary thing or moving on the ghats with the bike alone and all that? How was that?
So, what I did is, I'm a little scared of traveling on the bike in the dark. तो हम लोग दिन में थे, और दिन में तो कुछ ये नहीं है, but रात को there are a lot of instances, especially अगर आप केरला के अंदर आप जाओगे, if you go to Wayanad also, there are many videos that have gone viral with tigers running behind you, and all kinds of wildlife. So you have to be little scared. And I mean, if naseeb agar kharab ho, even elephants, there are experiences of people have experienced elephants just showing up, and elephants are not as friendly in the wild as they come across in television and movies.
Correct,
So yeah,
correct. Absolutely,
my
absolutely. Yeah, we
journey
go
was pretty smooth though.
definitely. This is some beach like Juhu Beach. It looks like
Right. Juhu
in
Beach.
Kerala.
This is Varkala. This is the beach I was talking about.
Okay.
It's very relaxed. You know, you've got all these
Correct.
cafes, and you know, it's got a beautiful view. It's so clean. It is so
Yeah,
clean.
yeah, yeah.
यहाँ पर मैं ये देखता
Absolutely.
था that there are locals who are staying here. There are foreigners who are staying here for six months, and every
Correct.
morning they used to come out on the beach and clean the beach voluntarily.
Oh, wow, wow.
And I
Great.
asked a couple of them.
हाँ.
और इंडियन चल रहे हैं, पानी पी रहे हैं, बॉटल फेंक रहे हैं, एंड दे आर स्माइलिंग एंड पिकिंग अप the bottles, and it's phenomenal. Like the change, the attitude that they have. I hope we learn something out of it.
Yes, so I think Varkala is just 2 hours drive from Trivandrum Airport, and their cliff and all that is so popular among foreigners that they just drove it directly from Trivandrum Airport. They don't go to Kovalam, where a lot of people are staying, and they just come to Varkala. There are no star hotels except only Taj is there. Taj hotels are there. They got 1 5-star hotel. Otherwise, all.
Bhavin bhai, sorry to interrupt, but I feel Varkala एक ऐसी जगह है. See, when you stay in a 5-star hotel, you need to stay inside the property and relax, right? यहाँ पर I would suggest you go on the beach and just lie down. मतलब उसका जो आनंद है ना, I would not suggest anyone to go in a 5-star because there's so much to do in terms of just relax. You just go and sit in a cafe over there. इतनी अच्छी हवा आती है, और you'll find so many people. It's like people from all over the world sitting and chatting. इंडिया से इतने सारे लोग मिलते हैं, तो it's a very good vibe. यहाँ पर एक स्टोरी बताऊंगा. I was staying in a homestay with a gentleman, Rama's homestay या कुछ नाम है, और वो व्यक्ति इतना मतलब पुण्य का काम करता है भाविन भाई. All the money that he earns out of his small like B&B hotel, he uses that to feed people of Varkala.
Okay. Great.
Or,
that's absolutely amazing. And yes, and our some of my clients, say one Mr. Claudio Castellino from Italy has put up a foundation in India, and they are doing a big work for a community there in south near Pondicherry. That's what they are doing also in India. And that's what I am also part of Rotary, so which helps me to do all this community services.
Right.
Yeah. Wow.
This is Varkala.
Amazing. No beach is looking as good as Varkala, is what I see.
अब आप बताओ 5-star में क्यों रहना है? पानी में रहो बाहर.
सर हमारा धंधा बंद करवा दोगे आप. हमारे क्लाइंट बोलेंगे कि हमको इधर ही लेके जाओ, ऐसा बोलेंगे.
This is what I do. You know what I do. If you have to go out, say you're going out for 4 days. So what you should do is 2 days you should explore. Okay. तो आप 2 दिन explore करो, और आप you can stay in a place where you don't have to stay in a very big hotel. And then 2 days you should relax. You don't go out, you sit with your family, you take the best hotel in that area. Like, Holiday Inn में रहा था in Alleppey. No, not Holiday Inn. I think it's Ramada.
Ramada. It's a Ramada Alleppey. Yes.
Right. So the thing is, Alleppey में 5 stars उतने हैं नहीं. But when you feel like relaxing, you just go and chill, because उसका एक अलग मजा है. You just get the view of the backwaters from there. So you should do both. But there are some people who just go and sit in a room and come back and they say हम गोवा जाकर आए, हम इटली जाके आए. अरे भाई सेल्फी खींचना था तो बाथरूम से भी खींच सकते थे.
अरे सर सेल्फी उधर जाके खींचना है, दुबई जाएंगे, सब जगह पे जाएंगे, वर्ल्ड में घूमेंगे डेफिनेटली.
Right.
Fine. ये तो कुछ रात का शॉट है, कुछ नाइट कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है मेरे को तो कोई रास्ते पे.
हाँ, सो बेसिकली मतलब अभी अमृतसर में नाइट लाइफ वगैरह कुछ है तो नहीं, तो हमने सोचा हम कैसे एक्सप्लोर करें. तो काफी स्पूकी लुकिंग गलियां हैं वहाँ की. हम लोग तो दबा के पराठे वगैरह, कुलचे चने वहाँ के बहुत फेमस है, खाए थे हमने. लस्सी 2-3 निपटा दी थी. तो हम रात को बस बंदे को हमने थोड़े पैसे दे दिए थे, हमने बोला हमको इन गलियों में घुमाओ. एंड हम घूमे जा रहे हैं, वेरी स्पूकी, बट मजा कुछ और है. मतलब you know, it's better than sitting in the room and waiting for tomorrow. तो 1-1.5 घंटा में साइकिल रिक्शा में घूमे. And इसके बारे में और एक चीज बोलूंगा भाविन भाई, you know, lot of foreigners they refuse to sit in the cycle rickshaws because they say कि यार ये तो inhuman है, you know, आप उसको slave की तरह treat कर रहे हो, हम पीछे बैठे हैं ये चलाए. तो they refuse to sit in the cycle rickshaw. And this is one of the main साधन कि वहाँ गलियों में जाए. पर अगर आप वहाँ के एक साइकिल रिक्शा वाले से बात करो तो वो बोलेंगे कि भाई 50 साल से 40 साल से हमने अपनी रोटी सिर्फ इससे कमाई है. अगर हमारे रिक्शा में कोई बैठेगा नहीं अगर तो हमें खाना नहीं मिलेगा. तो ऐसे जो भी व्यक्ति बोलता है, हम बोलते हैं हमको सामने लाओ, हम अपनी पीड़ा उनको बताएंगे. हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमको तो चाहिए लोग बैठे, हमको आदत है, हमारा शरीर सब सह लेगा.
बराबर है. और मैं व्हेन आई ट्रैवल, और मैं गया था पंजाब टूरिज्म के थ्रू 4 साल पहले, 4 years बिफोर, टू अमृतसर. सो दे टुक अस एंड डन अ हेरिटेज टूर अक्रॉस द गोल्डन टेम्पल. ये सब गलियों में जहाँ पराठे वाले फेमस है, जलेबी वाले फेमस है, और ऐसे बहुत सारे. अमृतसर इज वेरी फेमस फॉर all those thalis and very nice food stuff is available. The best in the world I can say among India.
आप कहीं भी किसी भी कोने में चले जाओ, कहीं पे जाकर बैठ जाओ, आपको स्वाद अच्छा ही मिलेगा. You will not have a bad experience in any dhaba in Amritsar. I can vouch for that.
Absolutely, yes, you're right. ये यहाँ पे बैठ के जो व्यू मिलता है और सुकून मिलता है, मैंने अभी तक लाइफ में कभी एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया इसको छोड़ के. Am I right?
There are some things that money can't buy. For everything else, there's MasterCard.
Yes, absolutely.
So I feel
you're on bang.
I feel that, you know, अमृतसर में जो peace है और जो serenity है, you know, I usually, Bhavin bhai, I never go to the same destination out of choice again. Okay. I don't repeat my destination because दुनिया इतनी बड़ी है and you know life हमारी इतनी छोटी है. So Amritsar is one of the few exceptions where I don't mind going again and again and again. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे मतलब you know energy का refill होता है वहाँ पर. I love going to that place.
नहीं, वो हमारे जितने भी क्लाइंट है, मतलब मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल हैज ट्रैवल्ड इन आवर आइटिनरी. अमृतसर इज द सेकंड मोस्ट विजिटेड प्लेस आफ्टर ताजमहल इन इंडिया टुडे. तो आप अमृतसर में जाएंगे, आप सेवा करेंगे, उधर घूमेंगे, गुरुद्वारा के जाएंगे, जलियांवाला बाग देखेंगे, देन यू गो टू अ वाघा बॉर्डर टू हैव द प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया. दैट्स व्हाट इज कॉल्ड देयर व्हेन यू गो टू अ वाघा बॉर्डर.
Right.
And another one of the thing, Amritsar से only 5 hours drive is Dharamshala, which is the most popular destination, which is the many people love there to go and enjoy and explore there. This is what my view is there.
Definitely. और वहाँ पर मतलब दलाई लामा जी ने अपना गढ़ बनाया है, और वहाँ के जो मतलब जितने भी पगोड, they have got a lot of different Buddhist temples over there, and it's definitely worth exploring.
हाँ, तो ये किधर समवेयर इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का है, किधर का जगह है? वेयर इज द प्लेस?
दिस इज कश्मीर.
अच्छा, यूसुमर्ग. तो अभी तो पब्लिक गुलमर्ग जाते हैं, सोनमर्ग जाते हैं, तो आपने यूसुमर्ग क्यों गए? Why you went?
यूसुमर्ग इसलिए गए क्योंकि you know I had become friends with a local over there who actually invited me. His name is Tariq Bhai, and he told me I will take you to the place where locals go. एंड ये जो आप देख रहे हैं नील नाग है, इट्स अ स्मॉल लेक. नाग यानी मुझे लगता था कि वो सांप होता है, बट दे कॉल अ लेक नाग. एंड यू नो कुछ कोई नहीं दिखेगा आपको इर्द गिर्द, एंड लोग नहीं दिखेंगे, एंड एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो प्योर है. मतलब हमारे जो घोड़े तो जो थे, देयर इज नो पाथ ओवर देयर. आप मतलब पहाड़ी घोड़े लेते हो और वो चट्टानों पे ट्रैक करते हैं. So मैं एक और चीज बताऊं, यहाँ पर मैं एक्चुअली गिरते गिरते बच गया था. एक्चुअली फेल डाउन फ्रॉम अ हॉर्स because it was such a dangerous thing, and I got saved because on the right side there was a valley and there was a tree that saved me actually. And
God is great.
It is great. It definitely is great.
Great, lovely experiencing. You're really looking like a brand ambassador of this place. That's what I can say.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
आप ये जगह के ब्रांड JNK के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर लग रहे हैं. That is what only I want to say.
The way I see it, I felt like a 3-year-old kid there. This is so Usmag mein they take you for like 10-12 hours. That's what we did actually. अलग-अलग जगह पर और this was the end of our journey और Doodh Ganga. Doodh Ganga is the name of this place, and the water comes, the glaciers that melt in the Himalayas, that's what's flowing, and it has healing properties. Matlab, I don't think science can, actually, it's a feel-good thing. आप वहाँ पर अपने हाथ पैर डालो और you just feel cleansed in some way, So I definitely ask people to go there.
और ये तो आपका सीक्रेट जगह है एकदम. अभी देखते हैं कि आप किधर पहुंचते हैं. Let's see first where you are reaching.
Yes, definitely you should.
This is not in India.
We are entering Pakistan.
That's right. Yeah.
Wow, you are in Pakistan.
Is visible,
Now you have gone staying in India, you can go to Pakistan.
Yes.
Even I have never put it in my itinerary like this to go.
So Pakistan, your corridor, as soon as it opened, me and my family, I'm half Sindhi from my mother's side, and so my granny, they are from Sindh, which was previously of part of Pakistan, and Guru Nanak Ji, who is the last guru, the first guru of the Sikhs, he lived his last life in this Gurudwara, and the Pakistan government opened this corridor, and we got the opportunity. And I should tell you, every Indian should go there once to realize that politics वगैरह तो होता रहेगा. We always have fingers to point. But when you go there, the Pakistanis are coming, the locals are coming to meet Indians and to hug them.
अरे.
And you will आंखों में आंसू आ रहे हैं. लोग एक दूसरे को हग करके मतलब रो रहे हैं और इतना प्यार. मतलब we were not allowed to go into any other part because basically the Indian army hands you over to the Pakistan army, and they kind of come along with you for 3 kilometers where the Gurudwara is. And the feeling was so good. So as soon as we entered the main Gurudwara, the local tourists stopped entry and they said that the Hindus have come, the Sikhs have come from India, और अब ये इबादत करेंगे. So they stood outside, they saw us doing it. And the experience was wonderful. One person came up to me and said, पहली बार इंडियन आदमी को देख रहा हूँ और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि यू आर नॉट द लास्ट पर्सन. मुझे इंडिया की हर चीज बहुत पसंद है और यू आर ऑलवेज वेलकम. एंड बोला मेरे घर पे बिरयानी खाओ. मैं बोला अगर मेरी इच्छा होती तो if it was in my hand, I would definitely come. You weren't allowed, but it was a beautiful experience.
So this place you can go from Gurdaspur, or where you can go from? How you can go?
It's a very long procedure actually. You have to apply first, and we had to go to the police station, and we got a call from CBI, and all your papers and documentation takes, and then once you get approval, which you come to know only 3 days before your travel date, whether you've been approved or not. हमारे एक ग्रुप में हमारे भाई की एक cousin की approval was rejected. I mean their application was rejected. So and everyone else went. उनके paperwork में कुछ problem हो गया था, and you can't do anything about it. It's very strict. And गुरदासपुर से जाना पड़ता है.
Okay.
गुरदासपुर में एक पूरा एयरपोर्ट जैसा बन, where you cross on from the Indian side. And you cross on to the Pakistani side, and you feel super rich, Bhavin bhai. I felt like crorepati there because आपका ₹1 वहाँ पर ₹2. So there are some shops over there, and you feel like ले लो
और चेंज करके ले लो, आ जाओ. बढ़िया आपका अभी तक का जर्नी वो superb, and I say this will definitely influence the travelers to travel across India and plan it the way they want to go. You want to go yourself, and same way they want to go. So I remember one of our clients, she was a expat in Mumbai, and a lady, and she did 25 trips with us alone across India. And she went to one place, and she only went to touch the place. to take a click with that place, and the driver used to go there with her and take the photo there. So this is what we are doing, and she is now back to her place in Taiwan, but she still remember us for this. In 2 years we took them for 24 trips across weekend across India. So she used to fly from one destination on Friday, going to Hampi, going to Aurangabad, going to Jaipur, Jodhpur, name it, and she will be there. And that's why we were to plan for her, and that's what she just, and she was a cancer doctor at Tata. She was working as an expert. So far it's a wonderful journey. And now let's see some of your favorite accommodations across India. So which are your favorite hotels, let's say luxury? Let's start with that first.
So luxury hotels mein, out of my personal experience, our family used to कम से कम साल में 2 बार गोवा जाती है. So I can say that I've stayed in more than 20 hotels, 5-star hotels in Goa itself. But out of that, one of my favorite hotels has to be Alila Diva, South Goa.
Alila Diva. Correct.
It's a phenomenal hotel, beautiful property. They've got this infinity pool, and the rooms are amazing, and the food. अच्छा 3 किलो बढ़ गए थे हमारे. We stayed for 3 nights over there. And we were eating the buffet 3 times a day.
Yeah. And this hotel has been taken over now by Hyatt. This Alila group has been taken over by Hyatt. And also they have a chef, the Indian veg chef, there in the property. So anybody want to have an Indian dish, they just having that. Yeah. And
so,
another one.
So my grandmother is vegetarian, तो वहाँ पर because non-veg के लिए बहुत choices होती है. The chef used to come and ask, "Ma'am, आपके लिए क्या बना है?" And whatever she wanted, they made a phenomenal a la carte dish, free of cost, as a part of the buffet while we were there for the 3 days. And for the kids, there's this theater that is made, which is not a part of any of the 5 stars that I've ever seen. So the kids are always in the theater, chilling and watching their favorite kiddie movies.
And what about Srinagar? Any of your choice favorite?
So Srinagar, I actually did not stay in many properties, but I happened to see it was my privilege to see the beautiful view from the Taj, which is there right at the lake.
Taj.
It's Taj Vivanta, right? And I think it's one of the best Taj locations that can be there, right? I mean, from inside, you can see that it's nestled in the, this hillock kind of thing.
Okay.
And it's above the lake. And, you feel like you're on top of the world. And the view is to die for. And Taj being Taj, I feel that the Taj group and the Leela group are the flag bearers of Indian royalty, I believe. And no one does it better than Taj. Come on.
And I was there on one of my wedding anniversary. I stayed there in Taj Srinagar. And that is the experience we have never forgotten so far. Life, and on the hills you can see the beautiful Dal Lake, and the places is amazing. Absolutely
right.
That's what I can say. Now we see and go to your photo collection and figure out what you have seen inside this photo. What is the story behind that? There are many photos, so we may just go a little more quickly, and we try to see how I hope the visitors are still interested to be part of, to see your photo collection now after the amazing videos. So let's start going on the photogenic journey of Incredible India with MC Krishna Nair. Let's move that.
It feels weird when someone introduces you, because I'm used to introducing other people, It's different to be on the side, actually.
Correct, you're right. And you and be in this event business, and the one which you are doing really is commanding your travel so many places, and that has been amazing. So we start with abhi bhook laga hai, so let's start with the food. What you are plan to eat that? Let's see. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. तो ये केसर का दबा है, अमृतसर का है, और ये थाली खाने के बाद आपको अगले दिन रात तक भूख नहीं लगेगी.
Correct. Kesar da Dhaba is also my favorite, and we take all our clients who are going a Golden Temple and Wagah border trip, we take them to Kesar ka Dhaba to have a taste of the Indian flavor.
But I'll tell you, Bhavin bhai, I felt, frankly speaking, ये थोड़ा overrated था in terms of the pricing. मतलब आप यही चीज आप कोई नॉर्मल ढाबा में खाओगे, इट्स आई थिंक 1/3 द प्राइस विद द सेम क्वालिटी, बट आई मीन इतना मक्खन, इतना ये, उसका नाम है बहुत अच्छा, यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट वंस।
अभी ट्रिप एडवाइजर ने फेमस कर दिया, आपने इतने रिव्यूज लिख के उसको फेमस कर दिया, तो अभी तो मैंने कर दिया, तो अभी तो उसका प्राइस बढ़ ही जाएगा, ब्रांड वैल्यू इज इंक्रीज, सो एज पर द ब्रांड इन इंडिया द पीपल आर चार्जिंग
100%।
या दिस इज वेयर समवेयर,
दिस इज जस्ट अ म्यूरल, ये पुष्कर की गलियों में है।
बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया।
Yes. ये कश्मीर में मैंने एक मस्जिद के बाहर we had clicked this picture and she was just sitting out there and I felt that it was सब, मतलब I don't have a camera, I'm just I just click photos from my phones, but I thought it was like it was a beautiful phone, and I asked one of my female co-traveler with me that can you click this, because भाई मार नहीं खानी कि भाई तुम लेडी का फोटो क्यों ले रहे हो उनके बिना पूछे, तो very nice frame, yeah.
And this is the photo I like the most, yeah.
This is I think राजस्थान का वो टेम्पल है, उदयपुर का, करेक्ट उदयपुर का जगन्नाथ टेम्पल, कौन सा टेम्पल याद है। दिस पर्सन वाराणसी पे मतलब घूम रहे थे व्यक्ति, ओके द वन यू जस्ट पुट द पोर्ट्रेट, ओके वाराणसी में घूम रहे थे एंड ही वाज फुल ऑफ कॉइन्स एंड यू नो गाना गाते कुछ बम भोले बोलते जा रहे थे, एंड या लाइक आई थिंक मेरे को लगता है उन लोगों से कॉइन्स लेता है और वो पेन लेता है।
अरे इंडिया में सब टाइप के धंधे लोग करते हैं, ये कोई समवेयर इन द गली कश्मीर और समवेयर वेयर
दिस इज सो माय फ्रेंड्स नेबरहुड एंड आई फेल्ट इट वाज वेरी पिक्चरेस्क, यू नो उधर के घर एकदम, मतलब मुझे लगता है वो लंदन के ब्रिक हाउसेस लगते हैं, इतने ब्यूटीफुल लग्जरी। वहां पर आप एक गरीब से गरीब आदमी के घर चले जाओगे ना, स्पिक एंड स्पैन, इतना ब्यूटीफुल है, मतलब उनके जैसे बाहर का लैंडस्केप है वैसा घर होता है। दिस इज द मकबरा दैट इज इन जामनगर,
यस एब्सोल्युटली यू आर राइट। मैंने भी अभी तक जामनगर में ये गया नहीं हूँ, देखना चाहिए, आई नीड टू गो देयर डेफिनेटली, सुपर
डेफिनेटली एंड ये मकबरा, यू नो हम लोग अलादीन देखते थे तो मतलब मेरे को एकदम कोई एक एनिमेटेड मूवी का विलेन का घर लगता है ये, मैं हमेशा जब भी देखता था ये, बट यू नो
देखने को अंदर जाने को डर लगता है।
नो इट इज शॉट, यू कांट गो इनसाइड, बट इसमें 4 अलग अलग तरीके के आर्किटेक्चर डिजाइन्स यूज्ड, इंडियन, फ्रेंच, पर्शियन एंड यू नो लोकल जो जामनगर के लोग हैं उनका।
ये भी उधर का ही है, जामनगर का है, किधर का है?
ये अमृतसर के टेरेस से मैंने लिया था, मतलब यू नो एक वो घर एकदम पास लोग एक छत से दूसरी छत पे कूद सकते हैं, तो मुझे बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लगा था, सुबह मैंने खींच लिया था फोटो।
वाओ ग्रेट।
दिस इज अ लाइट हाउस, दिस इज अ लाइट हाउस इन केरला, या
त्रिवेंद्रम, इट इज त्रिवेंद्रम का लाइट हाउस है if I'm not mistaken.
I think it could be Alleppey also, I'm not sure.
Fine. ये किधर का है? This place even I am also could not find so far location.
Okay, so this is actually right at the अमृतसर स्क्वायर पर है।
Okay.
और आप अगर ध्यान से देखोगे, there are faces of different leaders who have given away their lives for freedom. एंड यू नो रात को लाइट लग रही थी, बहुत अच्छा फोटो आया इसका।
मैंने भी देखा नहीं, मिस किया, देखना पड़ेगा।
500-700 मीटर दूर है फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द एंट्रेंस, देयर आर 4 एंट्रेंसेस राइट, तो वन ऑफ द एंट्रेंस का स्क्वायर हैज दिस, या
दिस इज इन पुष्कर, वेयर दिस इज,
ये तो पुष्कर के घाट है, और नहीं ये पुष्कर का घाट है।
हाँ जी बढ़िया। आहा वाओ दिस इज लवली एट द नाइट शॉट।
ये तो बहुत ही टूरिस्टी जगह है, और जयपुर के एकदम बीचों बीच है ये, एंड इट लुक्स लाइक इट एक्चुअली इज डिजाइन्ड लाइक अ हनीकॉम्ब, जो शहद का जो वो होता है, यू नो द हनी बीज दे मेक एग्जैक्टली दैट, द डॉट्स एंड द कलर पैटर्न इज ब्यूटीफुल।
और हम लोग जो टूरिस्ट को लेके,
आई थिंक ऑल द कॉन्क्यूबाइंस, जो राजा की सारी ऑल द वुमेन हु were giving him company, they used to stand over here and you know they used to be
this breeze that's flowing, and it's a beautiful place. इसके बाहर बहुत ही अच्छे भजिए मिलते हैं. ये ऐसे गली कोचों में मुझे, this is one of my favorite photographs actually.
पुष्कर का है, मैंने पढ़ लिया
एकदम. ये रूरल इंडिया की हर गली में आपको ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ दिख जाएगा.
Correct.
So it's amazing.
Absolutely. This is
Bhavin,
beautiful.
Your voice is not reaching me right now. Okay, this is the palace in Jaipur, City Palace. Am I audible to you? Okay, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Can you hear me, Bhavin bhai? Because I can't hear you right now. Hello? Hello? Your voice seems to have gone away. I think I can't hear you, Bhavin bhai. Am I audible? Just 1 minute.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me now? Yes. Hello. Yeah, my mic had gone to mute. That was the reason.
All right.
Gone to
I
the
think
mute.
it's good right now. I hope I'm visible properly.
Absolutely fine, and your
Yes.
voice is also clear. Now we go to the
Perfect,
balance
perfect.
shots. Right?
Sure.
So we were here. Yeah, we'll start with Jaipur.
या जयपुर का जो आर्किटेक्चर है, डिजाइन है, दिस इज आमेर फोर्ट. यहाँ पर सारे एलिफेंट सुबह को आते हैं, एंड यू फील यू आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू द 18th सेंचुरी. वेरी पिक्चरेस्क. ये भी थोड़े से माउंटेन पर है, एंड यू डेफिनेटली नीड टू टेक अ गाइड्स हेल्प इफ यू, बिकॉज अनफॉर्चुनेटली इफ यू गो देयर अलोन, आपको कुछ डिटेल्स को समझ में आएगी नहीं. You need to take a guide's help to actually explore the entire place, and I really recommend it, because सिर्फ देखकर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. जैसे there are holes in the roof, in a lot of forts, and it's a guide who explains that इस roof में से when the enemy used to come, they used to pour hot oil. तो मतलब वो reason है. ये जो value है, ये आपको सिर्फ एक गाइड दे पाएगा.
तो अभी गाइड से जो आपने सुना है वो स्टोरी आपके दिमाग में अभी भी चल रही है. So I'm really amazed to see that.
For sure.
Yeah, this is the photo I like most. I चुराया, निकाला मैंने आपके फीड में से, फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम के.
This is मतलब एक वो इतना उसका सिमेट्री है डिजाइन्स में. और लकीली ये अगेन आपको ये सब जगह में तब जाना है जब सबसे खाली हो जगह, बिकॉज वरना यहाँ पर लोग भरे होते हैं. I had to ask 2-3 people to move because there are thousands of people. The beauty of the place gets ruined. So yeah.
Correct, absolutely right. And this is the shot I like it of Udaipur.
Yes, this is Udaipur ka city palace.
Correct,
it's huge.
Absolutely huge. It's the best complex, and the Udaipur Lake Pichola boat ride is also going to around Jagmandir, and there are hotels like Lake Palace, Uday Vilas and Leela. These 3 hotels are the
मैं वहां पर इवेंट के लिए अनंता में बहुत, मतलब there are a lot of weddings that take place in Ananta. So of course Udaipur is known as the royal city.
Ananta is located after the Ramada hotel. It's after the Ramada. It's a Balini style cottages hotel is there. This is a very popular. And this is a local Pavana Lake का फोटो है, मैंने पढ़ा किधर भी. तो am I right?
100% true. Yes. So I mean, I think there are hidden gems just next to you, मतलब 100 किलोमीटर away from Bombay, and I just saw कि यार ये मैं अगर फोटो बोल दूं कि मैं अब्रॉड कहीं पर हूँ, या I mean some nice hill station, people will buy it, but actually लोनावला के पास है ये जगह. यहाँ पर लोग बाजू में बैठ के देसी पी रहे थे.
So,
ये भी बढ़िया शॉट है एकदम, बहुत बहुत अच्छा, दिस इज अ सुपर शॉट.
Do you know where this is?
दिस इज कुंडलिका, एम आई राइट?
ये जगह आप मानोगे नहीं, ये मेरे ख्याल से बदलापुर में है. दिस इज द बदलापुर में एक मंदिर है शिव जी का, और वहां पर ये छोटा सा शॉर्ट वाटरफॉल है. एंड यू नो दिखता यहाँ से छोटा है, बट आई टुक अ जंप फ्रॉम अबव इनसाइड द वाटर ओवर हियर, एंड इट्स लाइक इट्स वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स, यू नो, कि हमारे आजू बाजू में भी इतनी सारी चीज है भाविन भाई, बट यू नीड टू हैव द विल टू एक्सप्लोर, and you will definitely find out things, you know. So the curious cat in me always gets the best of it.
ये ऑरेंज और रेड आ गया तो जयपुर है, आमेर फोर्ट somewhere near, correct, no? Am I not guessing?
Yes, ये so the entire market, the city of Jaipur was you know, ये pink color के walls हैं, and मेरे को ना एकदम ये dog का posture बहुत अच्छा लगा. It looked like a guard to me, almost asking क्या भाई किधर जाना है.
और ये वाला आपका गिरनार है ना, किधर है गिरनार? आई थिंक माउंट गिरनार.
Yes, this is the sunrise at Girnar.
Correct.
The Peacock Gate at again the City Palace in Jaipur.
Wow, super amazing.
These are all famous places. So see, I mean, the way I see it, if anyone asks me, it's not that I'm rigid कि मैं सिर्फ इसी तरह travel करता हूँ. I can recommend every kind of travel to people. I tell them one thing is for sure. It doesn't matter how you go. It doesn't matter where you go, as long as you go.
Absolutely, and you just और ये तो अपना बॉम्बे का ही नजदीक का कुछ शॉट है मेरे ख्याल से.
ये अपना चिंबई जो विलेज है बैंडस्टैंड के और कैटर रोड को जो कनेक्ट करता है, वहां का मैंने ऐसे ही वो बंदा स्टेयर कर रहा था सी को, एंड मैंने बोला नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक अवार्ड विनिंग शॉट ले लेता हूँ.
ले लीजिए सर, बढ़िया, आपके शॉट को बहुत प्राइज मिलने वाले. और ये भी एकदम जबरदस्त है. किधर का है मैं भूल गया, ये जामनगर के बाजू का किधर का है?
ये वो ज्योतिर्लिंग है. जी ये ज्योतिर्लिंग है, और ये गुजरात में वी हैड गॉन देयर. सो द थिंग इज
जूनागढ़ या जामनगर.
yes. And you know, I've had the privilege of going to quite a few.
ये किधर है? मैं आपका क्विज ले रहा हूँ अभी. ये किधर का जगह है? आपने शॉट लिया है, अगर आप याद कीजिए. ओखा, बेट द्वारका,
right,
correct, no? Beautiful shot of that. Yeah, I like that.
So, but the only thing is that I was very you know, Dwarka was very, मतलब जो द्वारका बेट द्वारका इतना गंदा रखा हुआ है लोगों ने, मतलब it was very sad to see how unclean the place was.
Okay,
and
no.
But the amazing thing is that, you know, there's a story that the entire city of Dwarka was actually, you know, under the water today, and I find it very fascinating. And archaeologists are actually working on finding, you know, new revelations every day.
Fine, definitely. And this is the place of Udaipur, I think. Udaipur
में मैंने एक hostel, बंजारा hostel था. I'm not sure. But I remember the 250 rupees में booking.com से book किया था, and this was the view from the restaurant, terrace restaurant.
Correct. So उदयपुर का speciality यही है कि there are a restaurant, rooftop restaurant from there which you can see a beautiful view of Lake Pichola.
Yes. So you know, one thing I like to share is I remember 250 rupees for the bed and 400 rupees for the sabzi we had ordered. 700 रुपए की सब्जी थी, 250 रुपए का रूम था.
तो आपका राजस्थान ट्रिप का बिल बहुत कम आया होगा. That is what I can say. Here there are some 2-3 intimate hotels are there with foreigners like Jagat Niwas Palace, Kankarwa Haveli. So like that they are just touching the ghat.
Right.
And they are very popular. They are booked 6 months in advance by foreigners. And their rooms get sold out in season, like they are just sold out.
Cakes, yep.
ये तो मेरा favorite जगह है महाराष्ट्र का. Viewers can identify, so they can type in the chat if they can identify कि किधर का है.
So मैंने इसका कैप्शन लिखा था फेसबुक पे, रिलीजियस ट्रिप. क्योंकि मतलब एक है रिलीजियस ट्रिप के लिए सब जाते हैं. आई विल रिवील इट्स नासिक के घाट.
करेक्ट.
दिस पर्सन ऑन हिज ओन ट्रिप, क्योंकि ये पी के आउट हो चुका है. सो यू नो, दैट्स व्हाई आई पुट द कैप्शन एज रिलीजियस ट्रिप.
Correct. So last year I had went to this ghat of Nasik, and I had a chance to enjoy the Ganga Aarti at the night, which is very serene to be there.
Right. one of the best Ganga Aartis that I attended was in Varanasi.
Okay.
मतलब उधर के जो vibration होते हैं, and you know the biggest आरतीज, I don't know how they lift it with one hand. I believe they're told that 20-30 किलो का एक एक वो थाल होता है जो वो एक हाथ से जो you know आरती के लिए अपना they move their hands, and it's a sight. It's a beautiful sight, and the vibration of the chants रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं.
और ये शॉट किधर का है? आपका फेवरेट शॉट है सनसेट का?
I think I need to Kerala, that's right. So ये मेरे actually, okay, now that I remember, my hometown is supposed to be in Kerala. That's where my father's side of the family is. They stay in a place called Amlapura, which is about 1.5 to 2 hours from Alleppey. And वहाँ पर you know till the last 20 years there was no access from the roads. तो मतलब आप अगर बोलोगे खाने में क्या खाना है, आपने बोला फिश खाना है, तो वो एक्चुअली फिश पकड़ने जाते हैं. तो बॉम्बे में बोलते हैं ना भाई मछली पकड़ने गया था कि बनाने गया था, तो वहाँ एक्चुअली पकड़ने जाते हैं.
करेक्ट. सो यू गेट द फ्रेश वाटर फिश यू गेट. और ये कोई वादियां का शॉट है आपका. बढ़िया है, सुपर.
दिस इज Paranthumara. I think that is what the place is called. We go on a bike trip, or this is on the border of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and it is literally you feel you're sitting amongst the clouds. And this was one of the few times जहाँ पर fog थोड़ा मतलब चले गया था, and there was a view, and I just sat there. मैं जैसा बैठा हूँ, मैं 4 घंटा बस वहाँ बैठा था, और I was sitting and watching God's film, which is nature.
ये आपका फोटो मैंने चुरा लिया है.
So ये एक्सपीरियंस है, मतलब ये आप साउथ में कहीं पे भी चले जाओ, you know, if you can see other people swimming, I asked them how deep the water is, and you know this was somewhere in Kerala itself, and you know there are houseboats and people are. Yes.
Alleppey backwaters. Is it they are safe to do a swimming, or you need to be a swimmer?
You need to be a swimmer. You definitely need to be a swimmer, because you know अचानक से बहुत deep हो जाता है, and I made sure I didn't go very far, and मतलब मैंने बोला भाई देखो अपना 90-100 किलो का शरीर है, कुछ होएगा तो 2-3 लड़के तैयार होने चाहिए.
लाइफ जैकेट के बिना है. This is without the life jacket you are there.
एक Facebook की प्रोफाइल पिक्चर महंगी पड़ जाएगी भाई.
Because one foreigner asked us a question that I am going in a houseboat, so I would like to swim it in the backwaters. Can I do it? So now I can show them this picture and say, yes, you can do it, but on your risk, not our risk.
Definitely.
This is the beautiful. You can do a canoeing boat in the canals. Yes.
और मैंने ये पानी में स्विम करते वक्त फोटो लिया है, मतलब I was inside the water when I took this shot.
क्या बात है. हाँ, बढ़िया. सुपर. ये मेरा फेवरेट शॉट है, और जगह भी
that's what you've been saying for the last 10 minutes. आपने मतलब मेरे को इतना प्यार दिया 10 मिनट से. You like all my shot. I mean, I'm really thankful. So ये Fort Kochi का shot है, and you know I go there every 2 years. I try to go there only like so. I go to Fort Kochi not to travel, but there's the annual Binale Art Festival that takes place over there.
Absolutely right. Binale is the most popular art gallery, and the museum. This is what has been formed by Kerala government and CGH group of hotels. They are doing together.
Right. And so what is fascinating about this art festival is that the entire island of Fort Kochi becomes basically an art center. मतलब वहाँ पर दीवारों पे मतलब नॉवेल के बुक के चैप्टर्स लिखे हुए हैं, और आप गली कोपची में कहाँ पे भी चले जाओ एक आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशन है, and it feels like the entire world is like a big exhibition center in Fort Kochi for that time being. And you know this is a concept that takes place all over the world. So I think in Europe and America, everywhere, you know 2 साल में एक बार सब जगह बिनाले आर्ट फेस्टिवल होता रहता है, and people from all over the world come and feature their work here. So
absolutely. And Kerala, you see a spick and span and very clean, and people are most courteous there.
Right.
ये वाला किधर का है मैं भूल गया. There is a caves.
ये नासिक में है, Pandulini caves or something like that. Pandulini caves, I guess if that is what it is. And I mean again, it's not the same structure जैसे हमारे कान्हेरी caves हैं वैसे ही टाइप था, and it's a little steep mountain, and इसके पास एक छोटा सा उन लोगों ने एक डोम टाइप मंदिर बनाया है, एंड
Okay.
वहां पर जब ये लोग मेडिटेट कर रहे थे, ये लोग अपने वो चैंट्स कर रहे थे, तो
Correct.
मतलब वो डोम से 5 बार वाइब्रेशन आ रहे थे, एंड वो एक बहुत ही अलग एक्सपीरियंस था. तो दैट इज अगेन, सो दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ हिडन जेम्स, यू नो, लाइक अब नासिक में कौन जाके बुद्धिस्ट केव्स ढूंढेगा, राइट? सो
Correct.
हमेशा ट्राई टू फाइंड दीज अंडर द रेडार प्लेसेस टू गो, यू नो, and it's very
Correct.
close. It's very close to city center.
Correct.
It is back in
And-
Rajasthan. It's just,
Yes, and I think flavor of local market has to be taken over by a traveler. That what is the local person are selling across the road or the local shops are selling.
right. और क्या है ना मजा, आप जब देखते हैं ये दृश्य देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि यार यहाँ पर 500 साल पहले भी ऐसा ही मार्केट था, 1000 साल पहले भी ऐसा ही मार्केट था, 2000 साल पहले भी. तो यू फील सम प्लेसेस, यू नो, टाइम हैज स्टूड स्टिल. एक
Correct.
जैसे बम्बई देखो, हमारी लाइफ हर 5 साल में बदल रही है. 10 years में places are unrecognizable, but these
Correct.
places have remained the same. और एक्सप्लोर करने में इन जगहों का एक अलग ही मजा है.
Absolutely. ये भी आपका बढ़िया शॉट है, जूनागढ़.
दिस इज इन जूनागढ़, दैट्स राइट. हम लोग वहां पर एक वहां पर भी एक फोर्ट था, ऊपर कोट फोर्ट है, ऐसा कुछ नाम है मेरे ख्याल से, ऊपर कोट फोर्ट.
Okay.
और
Okay.
वहां पर भी अलग अलग चीजें हैं, अंदर बहुत सारी चीज एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. वहां से निकल के वापस आ रहे थे और ऑटो रिक्शा वाले ने बहुत ज्यादा पैसा मांगा, तो वी स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई टुक दिस शॉट. So I
Correct,
just
correct.
remember this.
And the best things you discover in travel when you walk. This is what I feel, and I tell to the travelers.
Right, right.
And this
I
is the shot
also
I
feel
like
that,
the
you
most.
know, right. I also feel that, you know, a lot of times I'm always very open to taking suggestions from, like, you know, whenever I take a travel agent, like someone like you is very important, because, you know, they guide what to do in those places as well. वो आपको सिर्फ होटल नहीं चिपकाते हैं, they actually tell you what experiences, you know, you should explore. And that's what I like. Like, you are also so passionate about traveling, and that's why you're so good at your job, because you know
Yes,
everything. You take the you know, interest in the smallest details.
Correct. Absolutely. And because the traveler, when they are traveling, they have fixed amount of time and they want to see the must-see places and enjoy the must-see experience. So we take them
Right.
to that first, and then the time permits we take you to other. So this is that line which you go inside the Golden Temple. I clearly remember
Right.
when I had been there, and this has been in my memory. The architecture and the shot is beautiful, amazing.
So मतलब हम लोग खड़े थे और नॉर्मली 1-1.5-2 घंटे से ज्यादा लाइन नहीं होती है, तो तब मैंने
Correct.
खड़े खड़े फोटो ले लिया था. ये मैंने जब मैं हम लोग जब कश्मीर गए थे, तो मेरे ख्याल से गुलमर्ग नहीं, पहलगाम के होटल के बाहर मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था, एंड वहां पर गली में एक लड़की खड़ी होकर मुझे यही एक्सप्रेशन से स्टेयर कर रही थी जैसा कि मैं कोई कार्टून हूँ, एंड आई गेव हर अ चॉकलेट, एंड देन शी एट दैट चॉकलेट, एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई क्लिक दिस पिक्चर. एंड उसकी आंखें
Correct.
देखो, लाइक मार्बल्स, यू नो, सो
Yes,
बिग
yes.
एंड ब्यूटीफुल.
I read your Facebook post of this. So people who want to see the photograph should see there. And this is the beautiful
Definitely.
shot I see. At the
ये
night time
अमृतसर
of
के
Golden
बाहर-
Temple.
राइट. टेम्पल के बाहर लोग मतलब बस चादर की जरूरत नहीं, छत को चादर बनाकर सो जाते हैं, बस
बढ़िया.
अपने माँ के गोद में सो रहा है, कोई मतलब अपने जूते नीचे रख के सो रहा है, और किसी को टेंशन नहीं कि कुछ चोरी होगा कि क्या होगा.
Correct.
तो एक ही लेवल पर है, सब सो जाते हैं, कहाँ होटल लेंगे, क्या करेंगे, सो जाते हैं, सुबह उठ के लंगर खाते हैं, फिर अगले दिन ट्रेन पकड़ के वापस अपने गाँव चले जाते हैं.
बराबर है, बढ़िया. और ये this is the moment I feel every traveler should do in when they are in this Golden Temple.
राइट.
Correct? Yes.
वंडरफुल. मतलब जब वो ह्यूज जो आते हैं ना, जब पहली बार
हाँ.
एक वो कलर आपके सामने 2 मिनट में चेंज होता है. सो दिस इज, ये जो करंट फोटो आपने लिया, आई जस्ट हैव सम वाटर 1 minute.
Yes, no problem. I hope we are not taking. We'll be closing in next 5 minutes.
For sure. So this picture I had taken, you know, यहाँ से अमरनाथ यात्रा शुरू होती है, और
Chandanwadi is the place.
That's right.
Near Pahalgam.
चंदनवाड़ी पे हम लोग, हाँ, चंदनवाड़ी पे हम लोग थे, और यहाँ पर locals के साथ मतलब मैं कुछ गेम खेला तो उसके बाद I think I clicked a photo and everyone hugged me after we
अरे
kind of like left from
करेक्ट
there
करेक्ट
and बहुत ही अच्छा moment
यस
था. They were goofing around and they saw their own pictures and it was fun. It was fun.
करेक्ट. और ये शॉट मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा श्रीनगर का.
श्रीनगर में लाल बाजार के एक ब्रिज पे खड़ा
करेक्ट
था मैं और लाल
करेक्ट
बाजार यूजुअली लोग जाते नहीं है बिकॉज वहां लोकल्स रहते हैं, वहां पर टूरिज्म रिलेटेड कुछ है नहीं. बट बिकॉज माई बेस्ट
करेक्ट
फ्रेंड, आई मीन माई वेरी गुड फ्रेंड हु वाज शोइंग मी अराउंड कश्मीर, ही वाज स्टेइंग देयर. आई वाज मोर देन हैप्पी टू स्टे देयर एंड वी वर स्टैंडिंग एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइफ इन कश्मीर इन जनरल एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई क्लिक दिस शॉट. या
एब्सोल्युटली सुपर. और ये वाला तो बहुत ही बढ़िया मोमेंट है आपका.
just sitting at one of the forts and just sitting and chilling and enjoying the view,
Yes,
nothing more
yes,
than that.
absolutely. This one is
Yeah.
also locals fantastic to
हाँ,
take the
मतलब
shots.
ये
Kashmiri.
बच्चे ने मेरे को बोला था ये बकरे के साथ फोटो लोगे आप 20 रुपए देना. तो मैंने बोला मैं आपकी बकरे के साथ फोटो लेता हूँ, आप मुझे 20 रुपए देना. So वो हंस
बढ़िया.
रहा था. But yeah, I mean, so like
ये
I
वाला
clicked
भी
the photo.
बढ़िया सनसेट मोमेंट है ये वाला.
Silhouette. It's a silhouette. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. This is also I like to very well.
This
Staying
was
in a
at
houseboat.
Yes.
Yeah.
The lake में हमारे we stayed in a couple of houseboats and we went there
Okay.
after the blast that took place, the attack that took place in
Okay.
Pulwama. So all the houseboats were empty, so we got very good deals at the houseboat. Yeah.
Great. This is also shot I like in I think Alleppey Beach or somewhere there.
I think so. This is in Kerala. I've explored like different parts. There are so many beaches that you go to. After a point, it becomes difficult to remember the names as well. But these are
no
actually,
problem.
these are this is my friends' children, and I felt it was a very good brother-sister moment.
Wow,
So
superb. This is the Chandanwadi. This is a way to go to Amarnath, I think, somewhere on the way.
yes. This was Chandanwadi only, and मतलब ये जो घोड़े हैं आप उनको देखो, उनकी स्टैमिना क्या होती है. one of the best thing is यहाँ पर बर्फ होती है तो पिघल, मतलब when it's really hard you can't walk on it. तो सब वो gumboots पहनते हैं, and I had bought some nice trekking shoes, so I didn't have a problem. But everyone else was continuously falling. तो ये जो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर लोग स्लेड्स लगाते हैं, आपको धक्का देते हैं और आपको सीधा पहाड़ के नीचे पहुंचा देते हैं. तो वो करना जरूरी है.
और आपका ये वाला अंदाज भी बहुत पसंद आया.
तो ये मतलब ये usually I never smoke. I never smoked cigarettes in my life. But ये लोग एक बॉटल में से ये लोग कुछ बना के पी रहे थे. And I asked what's there, and they said it's tobacco. I said I've never tried it. I don't think I'm going to try something like this ever. But we're out there, so might as well. And वहां पर बहुत ठंड थी, तो मतलब थोड़ा ऐसे हिट हुआ और मतलब it was a good you should try, like
Great.
you should do everything once. एक बार तो ट्राई करना ही चाहिए हर चीज, है ना.
Yes. और ये वाला तो मोमेंट वाराणसी घाट्स का never you can forget it.
100%. So
देशामेध घाट.
नहीं, ये दशाश्वमेध घाट नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली
sorry.
This is the मणिकर्णिका घाट और द हरिश्चंद्र घाट. एक्चुअली दिस वन ऑफ द डार्केस्ट घाट्स. यहाँ पर सारी डेड बॉडीज जलाई जाती है और ये जो आप लकड़े देख रहे हैं वो दे आर यूज्ड फॉर डेड बॉडीज. और यहाँ पर मतलब ऑल ओवर इंडिया से पुण्य माना जाता है ना. अगर वाराणसी में यू ब्रीथ योर लास्ट तो आप सीधा मतलब स्वर्ग जाते हो. तो ये वो घाट है एंड बहुत ही एक अलग ही फील है यहाँ पर.
करेक्ट.
ये मेरे ख्याल से निषद गार्डन्स है कश्मीर के.
निषद गार्डन कश्मीर के, श्रीनगर के.
राइट. निषद है या शालीमार, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट वन ऑफ द टू.
हाँ, ये वाला भी बहुत अच्छा शॉट है श्रीनगर का. हवा महल ऐसा कुछ जगह का नाम है कुछ किधर भी श्रीनगर.
हाँ, इट्स वन ऑफ द महल्स. बट द थिंग इज दैट दे से दैट यहाँ पर मतलब आई हैड रेड समवेयर वहां पर कि द किंग हैड मेड दिस सो दैट हिज चिल्ड्रन यू कुड स्टडी ओवर हियर. तो मैं बोला मेरे माँ बाप ने तो मेरे लिए ऐसा नहीं बनाया.
दिस इज सम टेम्पल.
दिस इज अगेन द उदयपुर का टेम्पल.
ये दिस इज इन सम बीच केरला का.
This is not a Kerala ka beach. Actually, this is one of the most highly recommended hidden gem that I would suggest. It is Narara Marine Sanctuary. सुना आपने इसके बारे में?
नहीं सुना, बताइए.
ये जामनगर में है एंड
Okay.
यहाँ पर क्या है, यहाँ पर सी बेड नहीं है, यहाँ पर कोरल
Okay.
रीफ है। तो
Okay. Okay.
यहाँ पर जब पानी थोड़ा नीचे आ जाता है, आपको
हाँ.
हर तरीके के, कम से कम मैंने 50 अलग अलग तरीके के मरीन लाइफ ली। मेरे हाथ में
Correct.
पफर फिश है जो 5 मिनट तक बाहर
Correct.
रह सकता है, और वो दूसरे प्राणी को
Absolutely.
डराने के लिए वो
नहीं,
ऐसे
I have read the marine life of Jamnagar, but I have not been, but मैंने सुना हुआ है
So
definitely.
definitely you have to go to Narara, and वहां पर वो एक गुजराती गाइड था, उसने हमको इतने डिटेल से, आई हैव मोर देन 50-60 फोटोग्राफ्स ऑफ डिफरेंट मरीन लाइफ इन माय हैंड्स, और एक खिजाड़िया बर्ड सेंचुरी भी वहां पर है। इवन दैट इज हाईली,
yes, absolutely. और ये आपका क्रिकेट शॉट है,
राइट। ये हाईवे पे मैं कश्मीर में खेल रहा हूँ एंड छक्का मारा था भाई, माँ कसम। इस बॉल पे।
और ये आपका जो वीडियो देखा वो वाला, ये वीडियो
That's
देखा
right.
वो वाला।
It's the same moment. It's the same moment.
Yeah, this is the beauty of Kashmir, I think. सोनमर्ग
is,
और you
नहीं, ये सोनमर्ग नहीं है, ये वो ए से नाम है मेरे ख्याल से इसका।
अनंतनाग।
अनंतनाग भी नहीं है, ये वही रास्ते पर है, क्या बोलते हैं अपने, जो आप पहलगाम बोल रहे हो, वही रास्ते पर आड़ू वैली।
ओके।
आड़ू वैली है ये, राइट।
हाँ, ऐसे इंडिया में रेस्टोरेंट दिखते हैं, व्हेन यू गो देयर,
ये ढाबे, ये सब नॉर्थ
ढाबे रोड के ढाबे, करेक्ट।
हाँ,
ये सम ट्रैकिंग पॉइंट का प्लेसेस है।
ये मेरे माथेरान के पास एक मैंने ट्राइबल हैमलेट, अनदर हिडन जेम, खासाची पट्टी, 25 ट्राइबल फैमिलीज है जो 500 साल से यहाँ पर रह रहे हैं, और आप पहाड़ से नीचे उतरते हो और ऊपर पहुंचते हो। एंड आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट बुक्स एंड कलरिंग बुक्स एंड crayons over there, because वहां पे बच्चों को कुछ मिलता ही नहीं है, तो they give you a lot of blessings and you feel a lot of happiness.
Definitely, anything is required in future, we at our Rotary Club can do something for them, we'll be happy to do.
For sure. See, the thing is, यहाँ पर actually मुश्किल क्या हो जाती है, going there is difficult because you have to carry, माथेरान से 2 घंटा दूर है वो, तो आपको पूरा उठा के लाद के खुद जाना पड़ता है। So that is what the fun also is, and what is make the trip all the more memorable. ये एक आलू बाबा नाम का एक साधु का आश्रम था, तो वहाँ का
ओके, बढ़िया। और ये लास्ट फोटो है हमारा, and then we'll close the program here. Yeah, this is the one. गिरनार का है, I think. It is a गिरनार का है?
Yes, it is.
Absolutely. So let's one.
And with that, I think बात करते करते, how much time has it been? It's been 1 hour 22 minutes since we've been doing this, Bhavin bhai.
अरे क्या बात है, really the journey has been fascinating, और मेरे को मन कर रहा है कि ये लॉकडाउन के बाद I should travel myself first and go as a solo traveler and try to see some of these places, because मैं क्या करता हूँ कि जब when I travel alone myself during the off season time, I select a place like Dharamshala or Dalhousie or Amritsar, and then I visit the hotels, I visit the sightseeing places, then I eat the food locally, and also I put it on my social medias on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and everywhere, and I just try to influence people that how they should travel and see the India the way they can do. So that's a customized way. That's what we do. And thank you so much, Krishna, to being with us. We wish you from India Travelite all the best for and successful part of your career as an anchor.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure sharing my travel journeys with you. And I'm looking forward to doing this again sometime soon.
Hopefully, and your collection of the videos and photos are amazing. And thank you so much. And we'll close it here. And any questions or anything you want to ask, you can just send it on our Facebook chat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Take care. All right. Bye. Ciao.
Bye. Ciao.